How to link my Etsy shop to TikTok. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, go ahead and make sure you are using a business account, and if not, tap on the three dots on the top right of your screen and further tap on the settings and privacy option. You will then see the option for accounts. Tap on that and you will see the option for switch to business account if you do not already have a business account. Tap on that and follow the on-screen instructions to complete your business account setup. I already have business account since mine is showing switch to personal account. Now, go back to your profile and tap on the edit profile option. You will then see the website option. Go ahead and enter your Etsy shop link in here and tap on done. With this, your Etsy shop will be linked to TikTok. You can now create engaging content to showcase your Etsy products. For example, post product demos, packaging videos, or behind the scenes content. You can also use trending sounds and hashtags to boost visibility, and you can add your shop link or name in the video captions. So, this is how you can link Etsy shop to TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.